Sabi hindi na kayo friends ni
Ayan tayo.
ni Ken.
Diyos ko, alam niyo naman yung mga past issues namin. Kaya na naman connected dots. Basta, we tried to be, we tried to work it out as friends, but it just happens to be that, we're not friends anymore. And of course, I'm very sad with that.
Pero that was before yung nangyari sa kanya.
Right before.
Right before.
Investor ka, no?
Sorry?
Invest ka dun.
Not yet, but I was about to. We were actually going to be business partners, but hindi lang naman dahil sa business din. Kasi I'm sure you're all aware na, di ba, nagkaroon din naman talaga kami ng personal, not problem, but
Nagkagustuhan kayo?
totoo talaga eh, tunay. Tunay talaga. Hindi ko naman kinakailayo na na-inlove ako talaga sa kanya, but syempre, past is past again. And I just hope that, that he gets to find the person that who will really, really love and accept him. But of course, I'm very sad with what happened with us. Kasi ilang taon din yun, ilang taon namin pinaghirapan kung ano yung naabot namin together.
Sayang, no?
As Ritkin, and kami, of course, as best friends. He really was my best friend.
Nag-MU kayo?
Naging kayo.
Hindi naging, I don't think so, because hindi pwedeng maging kami. Because you know the
Pero
story,
nag-express
right?
din siya ng feelings.
He did, and that's the confusing part, right? So yun, mga ganon, siguro.
Totoo ba? Effeminate siya?
Na?
FM siya?
Anong FM?
Feminine.
Gamitin mo yung term mo yan.
May pagka... babae.
Siya na lang tanungin mo pag bumalik siya. Oo, parang I'm not the right person to say
okay.
that.
Ay, ano?
But if you have something to advise him on his current situation, would you want to give him an advice or a message wherever he
No,
is?
I don't think so. Because I think he knows that already.
Okay.
I think this season talaga na meron siya para to sa full of realizations, with everything. And definitely this interview would get to him. Definitely he would see this, and we don't have any communications anymore. But I really hope for the best, and I am praying for him and for his family. And yun lang yung sasabi ko talaga. Wala nang iba.
Even to his family, wala kang communication.
No,
Kamusta?
wala. Everything was cut. Yeah. That's the best thing to do.
For this whole thing, yung situation na na-surprise ka din upon hearing it na hindi mo siya in-expect na mangyayari sa kanya.
When I knew it, of course, yeah. Because that's something na parang, well, because I thought I knew him, but I don't know, kasi feeling ko kahit malaman ko rin naman ng maaga, makakatulong ba ako? Parang hindi rin naman din ata. So, I think the best thing that I can do for him right now is just to pray for him. That's all. Pray lang talaga. Yun yung pinakatulong na pwede na natin magagawa.
Thank you.